Welcome back guys, it's me Rivyan Legend. Today I bought a new fan from DIY, Mr. DIY. There's a tape here, let me cut it. Yeah, now the tape is cut it, let's open it. It's a bit hard to open, yeah. So when we take it out, it kind of looks like this. Yeah, it's a USB charged fan. See, sorry guys. Oh my god, what's this? Okay, let me see this thing. Oh my god, this is really nice. Oh wow, that is so good. And yeah, you can hang it like this. Yeah, it's portable. This is my pocket. I can just put it here. And yeah, I can just put it. Yeah, this is the on switch. Yeah, I feel so good. Then I don't know what this thing. I can put it like on here. This. Oh my god, why do I always drop this? Yeah, like this. I can put it on here. Okay, let's try this thing. What I just told. Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks really nice. And this is a USB charge with it. I can. Where do you charge it? Oh, found it. We have to charge it from here. Got it. This is such a cute fan. Do you hear that sound? That's so cool. Feel so refreshed. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.